Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show at its new time slot of 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. I hope you're enjoying the new time slot. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dave's Cooking Show. And the mandatory YouTube things out of the way, let's get into this. All right, this is a hot roast beef sandwich today on Dave's Cooking Show. And first thing we got to do is make our mayo, mustard, poppy seed thing. Into a deli container, you want to have a quarter cup of mayo and a quarter cup of the spicy mustard of your choice. Trust me, when you see this, you won't think it's delicious, but trust me, it's delicious. It's one of those things where it shouldn't work, but it does. And then you want to add 3 tablespoons of poppy seeds to this. So do not make this if you have to take a drug test for a job. And then you want to add 3 teaspoons of onion powder. And this dish is really good if it's made in a hurry. Literally start to finish, 20 minutes, and that's giving the oven 5 minutes to heat up. And it's one of those dishes you can make if you're out camping or if the power's out. All you need is a fire pit. And then you want to add 1 tablespoon of horseradish. Maybe a little bit more. And then just a couple of drops of Worcestershire sauce. If I had to guess, maybe a quarter of a teaspoon. And of course, salt and pepper. And then we want to grab our little tiny whisk and mix, just keep stirring until everything is mixed together. Pop the top on the container and pop it in the fridge. And then start preheating your oven to 350 degrees. All right, now on some aluminum foil sheets, the bottom bun gets our poppy seed mix. Then a slice of cheddar. And now we're going to add about 3 ounces of roast beef. I didn't weigh anything out. I just kind of eyeballed it. All right, then grab a slice of provolone. And then on the top bun of this, I spread a nice little layer of mayonnaise. And then we're just going to wrap this up in our tinfoil sheet. Like I said, absolutely easy. Anyone can do this. And you can even do this over a dying campfire. Now let's go put this on a baking sheet, and I'll show you what it's like right before we're going to put it into the oven. All right, as you can see here, they're on a parchment-lined baking sheet, ready to go into the 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. I personally went 17 minutes. All right, let's jump ahead in time. Okay, after 17 minutes, this is what our sandwich looks like, all ooey gooey and wonderful. All right, let's get a cross-section. All righty. Give the old pull apart here. And that's that. A hot roast beef sandwich. Super easy, super quick. Like I said, you can do it over a campfire even if you like. But it's done, and it was delicious.